Now that you have your sources complete, you are on page 2 of the document, Perseverance Outline. The very first thing you're going to do is delete my words your name period and put your name in the period, as well as your famous person's name. The next thing you're going to do is you're going to return to your websites. You're going to scroll up and use the links for the websites that you posted here before to search in a new window and go to Google and copy and paste those web addresses up here in the search bar. Go back and pull out information that you'll then plug into this outline. Okay? What you will be doing for this outline is plugging your information over top of my information. So at the end, all of these words will be replaced by sentences of your own. For example, a topic sentence you might write would be, when thinking about perseverance, Beyonce comes to mind. Period. Then all of this gets deleted. Then you go back and find in your source where Beyonce was born and you write a sentence about it. Beyonce was born in a small town in New York, in the southern part of the state. Period. Find a fact about Beyonce's childhood. Beyonce's childhood was mostly happy. And then, after that's all done, then comes your thesis statement. How did this person persevere? This sentence is where you're going to post a topic that links together your 3 different topics here. Okay? So for each of those 3 websites you found, 2 are going to be about an obstacle, and 1 is going to be about an achievement, or 1 obstacle and 2 achievements, and you're going to write a sentence about them. Let's say Beyonce had a difficult childhood. Beyonce had a difficult childhood because her parents were very hard on her. There's 1 obstacle, then you're going to put a bunch of supporting details that kind of supports that, then wrap it all up. Clearly, life was not always glamorous for Beyonce. Let's say we figure out she has a great singing career. Beyonce topped the charts 5 years in a row. Tell me all about it here, and then I'm going to wrap it up. Beyonce is one of only 5 female artists to ever accomplish this. Okay, there's paragraph 2. Last paragraph, Beyonce has given back to charity. Not only is Beyonce a great musician, but she has given back to charity as well. Tell me all about how she's done that and then wrap it up. It's not very often that a musician is a giving, charitable person as well. So at this point we have 3 body paragraphs with a topic sentence and a concluding sentence and lots of supporting details. We will pretend for now. Now it's time to write the thesis. How did she persevere? This is where we're going to tie these 3 together. Reason 1, reason 2, reason 3. So our thesis could say, because Beyonce had a difficult childhood and still was able to top the charts and give back to society, she has demonstrated perseverance. Let's just look at that here for a minute. So we have, we have a great sentence here that ties together our 3 body paragraphs. I should see evidence of all 3 colors in this statement. Difficult childhood. We know that has to do with the red. Top the charts. That's touching on our blue paragraph. And give back to society is touching on our green paragraph. So all 3 paragraphs are touched on in your thesis. You should be able to take color and put it into your thesis statement, just as I put it into my thesis statement. Then you would move on and do the conclusion the same way, typing over top of what is there. As a conclusion, I would also like you to Google and find a quote said by the famous person and explain what that quote means, just to add a little more to that. If you have questions, feel free to ask me, but remember, all of these words should be yours when you're done.